Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make purchasing decisions so you don't end up regretting your life choices, at least not because of the products you buy. Today, we have a drone showdown that's more dramatic than a reality TV finale. On the left side, we have the Holy Stone mini drone, aka the Fun Flyer, and on the right, the VISNEE newest drone, aka the High Flyer. Let the drone duel begin. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite thing, money. The Holy Stone mini drone comes in at a budget-friendly $36. That's cheaper than a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the VISNEE newest drone is priced at $59. Reviewers have noted that the Holy Stone mini drone offers great value for its price, especially for beginners looking for an affordable option. On the other hand, the VISNEE newest drone, though pricier, is appreciated for its additional features and quality build. Now, let's talk features. The Holy Stone mini drone claims to be more fun than others. It can toss to launch, do circle flies, 3D flips, and auto-rotate. It's basically the drone version of a circus performer. Plus, it's got 3 speed settings, so you can go from turtle to cheetah in no time. Reviewers love its ease of use and fun features, making it a hit for indoor flying. On the other hand, the VISNEE newest drone is like the James Bond of drones. It's got a 1080 HD camera that can take breathtaking photos and video. Imagine capturing your neighbor's cat doing something hilarious in high definition. Plus, it has a 90 degrees adjustable camera and real-time data transmission to your phone. It's like having a flying Instagram machine. Reviewers have praised its camera quality despite a few issues with stability. Next up, user-friendliness. The Holy Stone mini drone is super user-friendly with its altitude hold function and headless mode. It's basically idiot-proof, which is perfect for people who can't even keep a houseplant alive. Reviewers have highlighted its ease of use and excellent maneuverability, making it a great choice for beginners. The VISNEE newest drone isn't far behind. It has 1-button takeoff and landing, plus 3 speed modes to match your flying skills. It's so easy to use, even your grandma could become a drone pilot. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly features but have noted occasional issues with the controller. Battery life is crucial. The Holy Stone mini drone comes with 3 batteries, giving you a whopping 21 minutes of flight time. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. Reviewers appreciate the extra batteries and decent flight duration. Meanwhile, the VISNEE newest drone has 2 batteries that offer 30 minutes of flight time. So if you're planning a drone marathon, VISNEE has got you covered. However, some reviewers have mentioned that they wish the battery life was even longer. Portability is another key factor. The Holy Stone mini drone is mini and portable. You can take it to parties, school, fishing trips, or even hiking. It's like the Swiss Army knife of fun. Plus, it has full protection guards around the propellers, so no worries about getting your fingers sliced. Reviewers find it convenient for indoor use and appreciate its durable design. The VISNEE newest drone is also portable with a clever folding design and even comes with a carrying case. It's like the drone equivalent of a transformer. Folds up and fits right into your bag. Also, it has obstacle avoidance, which is great if you're as clumsy as I am. Reviewers have noted its portability and the added convenience of the carrying case. Based on online reviews, the Holy Stone mini drone is highly recommended for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great choice for beginners and indoor use. However, some minor issues like the need for careful handling and potential motor adjustments were noted. The VISNEE newest drone, on the other hand, is praised for its high-definition camera, user-friendly controls, and portability. Despite a few concerns about camera stability and battery life, it remains a solid choice for those looking for a more advanced drone experience. That's it for today's drone showdown. Which one are you going to pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.